turn on and fix call waiting on Poco M8. Let's start the video first of all. If you want to fix this problem, so click on settings app. Now in settings search call waiting. You will see click on call waiting. Make sure turn on call waiting. After turn on call waiting, go back and restart phone. Click power button and volume up button. Restart phone. After restart, you will see your problem is solved. So if it not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on more connectivity option. After click on more connectivity option, click on reset and reset settings. Enter your phone pin and click on next and click on OK. After click on OK, you will see your problem is solved. So if it's still not solved, so again click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on additional settings and click on developer option. So make sure check your software update is latest. So if it not latest, update your software latest. After update software, you will see go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on and fix call waiting on Poco M8. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.